First question. All of the following infections may be transmitted by dental instruments except. Answer options. Option A HIV, option B hepatitis C, option C hepatitis B, option D hepatitis E. Correct answer option A HIV. Second question. Hepatitis A virus is best diagnosed by. Answer options. Option A immunoglobulin M antibodies in serum, option B isolation from stool, option C culture from blood, option D isolation from bile. Correct answer option A immunoglobulin M antibodies in serum. Third question. The instrument by which BP is determined. Answer option. Option A ultrasound, option B BP meter, option C stethoscope, option D sphygmomanometer. Correct answer option D sphygmomanometer. Fourth question. Which of the following substance, if introduced into bloodstream, would cause coagulation at the site of introduction? Answer option. Option A fibrinogen, option B prothrombin, option C heparin, option D thromboplastin. Correct answer option D thromboplastin. Fifth question. Which one of the following does not increases while moving down the group of periodic table? Answer option. Option A atomic radius, option B metallic character, option C valency, option D number of shells in an element. Correct answer option C valency. Sixth question. On moving from left to right in a period in the periodic table, the size of the atom. Answer option. Option A increases, option B decreases, option C does not change appreciable, option D first decreases and then increases. Correct answer option B decreases. Seventh question. Which of the following has a minimum wavelength? Answer option. Option A gamma rays, option B blue light, option C infrared rays, option D microwave. Correct answer option A gamma rays. Eighth question. Which among the following has a maximum penetrating power? Answer option. Option A radio waves, option B microwaves, option C UV radiation, option D gamma rays. Correct answer option D gamma rays. Ninth question. Which of the following is called heat radiation? Answer option. Option A X-rays, option B gamma rays, option C microwave, option D IF radiation, infrared radiation. Correct answer option D infrared radiation. 10th question. The structure of solid is investigated by using. Answer option. Option X-rays, option B gamma rays, option C microwave, option D infrared radiation. Correct answer option C X-rays. വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാനും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാനും സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്. താങ്ക് യു.